Lesson 4 of Chapter 6 is multiplying in any order. This lesson, when I was first looking at it, I found it very weird. And in fact, when I was looking over my little boy's workbook, it was all wrong because it wasn't explained properly. So let me see if I can explain properly. When you have an arrow this way, what they want you to do is count the number of groups. Number of groups will be the number of columns. But when it asks this way, then that means your number of groups will be your number of rows. So that's why the lesson is about multiplication in any order. Okay, so our problem comes from page 103. Problem number 2 has a drawing that has 5 columns with 4 cars each. So this is... So there are 2 arrows. The first arrow comes from the bottom. This tells you that you need to count the number of columns. So number of groups is 5. Items per group would be 4. And total items will be question mark. So this is technically 5 times 4 is equal to 20. Because if we count by 5s, 5, 10, 15, 20, to 4 fingers, that means we have 20 total cars. However, if they give you the row, this is your number of groups will be the number of rows. There are 4 rows. Items per group will now be 5 cars. And total items will be the unknown. So the lesson says multiplication in any order. So as we can see, this is now 4 times 5 will also give you 20. So this is why it's okay to count by 5s even if the number of groups is 4. That concludes lesson 4 of chapter 6. See you in the next lesson.